Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to a new week of one day, one concept idea. So, what we do is very simple. We take one idea, we define it to you, and in 5 minutes, we make you very clever, right? Is it good? Excellent. For this week, we are going to talk about tax credits. That's the first topic of this week, right? So, that's what we would do. So, we're going to talk to you about how they benefit businesses that invest into renewable energy. So first of all, let me just give you a little bit of a disclaimer. Okay, a lot of what I refer to would tend to be attached to the United States, but I'm pretty much sure that in other countries, there's similar kind of scheme that you definitely can take advantage of, right? So please bear that in mind to ask you listen to me, so that obviously, if you are surprised that all of a sudden I'm referring to a specific type of of scheme, like I say, so you understand what they all about. Is it okay? Excellent. So, one second. Okay, that's fine. One second. We back. So let me just carry on because obviously sometimes there is the challenge of being live. Yeah. So I wanted to start talking about, okay, what are tax credit according to you? What is it? So tax credit are a type of incentive that government would provide to businesses that invest into renewable energy technologies, right? So tax credits they work by reducing the amount of tax that a business owe to the government. This can help to offset the upfront cost of the investment that you're making, right? And that's how tax credit could really be very advantageous to you, right? So hopefully it makes sense up until now. So and the whole idea is to make it financially attractive for you to invest into the technology. So now you may be asking me the question, okay, what are the different type of tax credit? That's why, based on the research that I've done, like I say, I have had to pick one country to sort of describe it, and that was based pretty much on the United States. But there's many countries as well where you find similar kind of regime. Yeah. So there are several type of tax credit that businesses can take advantage of, right? That would include the federal investment tax credit, ITC, the production tax credit, BTC, and you also have state level tax credit. That is what you will see in the United States. But as I've stated, in other countries you have similar kind of thing. So the federal ITC is a tax credit that will allow businesses to claim a percentage of the total cost of the renewable energy system as a credit against their taxes, right? For solar energy system, the ITC is approximately 26% of the total cost of the system. And for wind energy, it's about 60% of the total cost. So you can see it's a significant, right? So that's not negligible. If you look at the PTC tax, it's a tax credit that is based on the amount of energy that a renewable energy produces. And business can claim a certain amount of tax credit for every kilowatt hour of energy that the system will produce. Yeah. And at state level tax credit vary depending on the state, but it can include incentives such as the property tax exemptions, the sales tax exemption, and the personal income tax exemption, right? That's what you can see. So, what are the benefits of tax credit? So, there's several benefits of taking advantage of a tax credit for renewables energy. So, first of all, tax credit can help to reduce the upfront cost, right, of investing into renewables energy, making it more financially attractive for businesses. I talked about early on 20% of the cost, 60% of the cost for wind. That's significant. So the second advantage is that tax credit it can help to reduce the business tax liability, which can free up some funds that other investment can take advantage of or business operation can use, right? And finally, tax credit can help support the growth of the renewable energy industry, which can lead into job creation and economic growth. Yeah. So that's absolutely fantastic. So how can you with your business claim tax credit? Yeah. Find out, first of all, which tax credit is available and what is the required procedure to access. File the appropriate form, right? So with the inland internal revenue system, IRS, and they probably will have some documentation on your renewables energy you need to provide, and that's it. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to say regarding tax rate. So there's a lot enormous benefit for you to looking at that as a way for you to fund your business. You want to be looking at that. Yes, he applies to the United States at the moment, what I've said, but in many other countries, you have something similar. Is it okay? Excellent. So if you like what I say, so you have three things you want to do. You want to like it, you want to comment it, and you want to share with people that you know, right? Excellent. As of me, I see you tomorrow, and we're going to talk about another concept. Take care. Bye bye.